Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. LUNC community votes on proposal in high hopes to repeg USTC. LUNC community recently received funding for L1 upgrades. Today, the community is voting on a USTC repeg proposal. Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, is the top loser of the day. The vast community behind the fallen altcoin Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, and its malfunction stablecoin TerraKRW, USTC, is trying to revive the network. Once a prominent blockchain that attempted to challenge the most popular altcoin Ethereum, ETH, the Terra downfall in May 2022 set off a domino effect on the industry, wiping $2 trillion in digital assets. A year later, Terra Luna is still represented by one of the largest crypto communities. LUNC community recently passed proposal number 11462, which enabled the joint L1 task force to receive $124,000 for Layer 1 development for the Q2 of 2023. While this proposal has been already passed with 55.53% members supporting the idea, there's more important decision-making for the embattled community. The struggling LUNC community is voting on another crucially important proposal to repeg its malfunction stablecoin, which still trades below 2 cents on a dollar. How realistic is USTC repeg? The new proposal number 11487 is already celebrated in the LUNC community for putting LUNC and USTC back on Twitter daily trends. However, if passed, there's a fair share of trials and tribulations before the proposal would make any significant difference. Let's have a look on how the number 11487 would work if passed. Firstly, the proposal by Redline Drifter suggests that revitalization of the Terra Classic ecosystem would take off if the transactions on the blockchain would implement divergence fees on trades. Secondly, the divergence fees on trading would be used to buy back USTC. The automated purchase mechanism would accrue USTC in profit, while 47.5% of the profits would be transferred to a new USTC staking vault. This new staking vault aims to reduce the current USTC supply. Once the divergence fee and buyback mechanism put USTC back above the $1 peg, another liquidity pool will be launched. Then, the USTC/LUNC liquidity pool will be used to swap between the two crypto assets. On the flip side, members of the LUNC community are skeptical about enforcing the divergence fees. Only 37% of LUNC holders are saying yes to the proposition. To pass, the 956 billion vote threshold has to be reached in the next 3 days. South Korean sleuths indict Terra co-founder, uncovering Do Kwon's $8.6 million nest egg. Terraform Labs co-founder Daniel Shin is charged with fraud by South Korean law. The lawsuit tackles 9 other Terra investors who breached capital markets law. The criminal case revolves around the malfunction stablecoin UST and Luna. The South Korean Special Task Force made a breakthrough in the controversial case of one of crypto's worst financial disasters. Authorities claim that the entire ecosystem of Terra Luna, including the algorithmic stablecoin TerraUSD, UST, and Terra Luna, was fabricated from the start. According to the leaked court documents, Do Kwon, Daniel Shin, and 8 other co-founders caused astronomical damage to the investors by deliberately keeping the holders in the dark about the actual situation. While Shin was left alone after the December court hearing, the defendant's argument of a minor flight risk might have won him some time. However, the crypto entrepreneur was still eventually indicted. Sleuths find 10,000 bitcoins in Kwon's secret stash. Meanwhile, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission discovered that Do Kwon was secretly holding a hefty sum of 10,000 bitcoins transferred into various external wallets in a couple of months amid the crash. The Swiss bank Sygnum is a digital asset bank that has its roots in Singapore but is headquartered in Switzerland. According to a recent report by the SEC, Sygnum allegedly maintained a business relationship with the crypto fugitive Do Kwon. On top of that, the SEC points out that Do Kwon converted the bitcoins into fiat and transferred over $100 million to an escrow account to an international law team. While these funds were spent, there's also another $185 million in crypto assets already frozen by prosecutors. While a large chunk of the rest of the converted bitcoins was used to cover staff salaries, the detectives also revealed that there's still $8.6 million kept in Do Kwon's Swiss nest egg. On the flip side, Daniel Shin was formally charged but not detained, as the defendant's lawyers claim that he returned to South Korea voluntarily and is unlikely to destroy any evidence. Why you should care. The Terra, Luna, and TerraUSD fiasco caused extensive harm to the cryptosphere. Terraform Labs is linked to around $2 trillion of crypto assets sent down the drain. Price prediction. Terra Classic price today is $0.000109 with a 24-hour trading volume of $33.13 million, market cap of $641.42 million, and market dominance of 0.05%. The LUNC price increased 0.88% in the last 24 hours. Terra Classic price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from April 28, 2023 at 14:19, the general Terra Classic price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 4 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 29 signaling bearish signals. LUNC price prediction was last updated on April 28, 2023 at 14:19. Terra Classic key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.000109, Terra Classic has support levels of $0.000107, $0.000106, and the strongest at $0.000104. Similarly, Terra Classic resistance levels are at $0.000110, $0.000112, and $0.000113. Terra Classic reached its highest price on April 5, 2022 when it was trading at its all-time high of $119.01, while Terra Classic's lowest price was recorded on May 13, 2022 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.00001651. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.00001651, cycle low. The highest LUNC price since the last cycle low was $0.000590, cycle high. The Terra Classic price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 64, greed. Terra Classic's current circulating supply is 5.90 T LUNC out of max supply of 6.88 T LUNC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1,705,629.99%, meaning 5.90 T LUNC were created in the last year. Terra Classic is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 83 days, since February 4, 2023. The price of Terra Classic is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 68 days, since February 19, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 129 days ago, on December 20, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on November 27, 2022, which was 152 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Terra Classic's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $0.000154 by May 28, 2023. Terra Classic's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.000113 by May 28, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 34.44, which indicates that the LUNC market is in a neutral position. According to our current Terra Classic price prediction, the value of Terra Classic is predicted to drop by -1.22% and reach $0.000107 by May 3, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 64, greed. Terra Classic recorded 17/30, 57%, green days with 5.2% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Terra Classic forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Terra Classic. Comparing Terra Classic against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Terra Classic price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Terra Classic price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, LUNC price prediction for year 2026 is $0.002454 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Terra Classic would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $0.000282. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.